Hey folks, today I'm diving into the must-have HVAC tools for all you newbies out there. Whether you're just starting your training or about to head out on your first job, having the right tools is crucial. Let's jump right in. First up, the basic but essential screwdriver set. You're going to be dealing with all kinds of screws. Phillips, flatheads, you name it. A good set with various sizes will save you headaches and time. Next, a reliable multimeter. This tool is your best friend for diagnosing electrical issues. It measures voltage, current, and resistance, and helps you troubleshoot problems safely. Remember, safety first. Now, don't forget about the pipe wrench. HVAC systems have tons of pipes and fittings. You'll need a sturdy pipe wrench to install and remove them without damaging the equipment. Speaking of pipes, a tubing cutter is another must-have, especially for cutting through copper and aluminum pipes. It ensures a clean cut every time. Clean cuts mean fewer leaks and a better system overall. Another key tool, the manifold gauge set. This is essential for checking refrigerant levels and ensuring the system is running smoothly. You'll use this tool a lot, so invest in a good quality set. And while we're on the topic of refrigerants, don't leave home without a refrigerant leak detector. Leaks can be tricky to find and can cause major issues if left unchecked. A good detector will save you countless hours of troubleshooting. Let's not forget the humble tape measure. Accurate measurements are critical in HVAC installations. Whether you're sizing ductwork or positioning equipment, a reliable tape measure is a must. You'll also need a good set of pliers. Needle nose, linemen's, and channel lock pliers are all useful in different situations. Having a variety will make your job easier. And lastly, safety gear. Never underestimate the importance of safety glasses and gloves. Protecting your eyes and hands is essential when you're working with sharp objects and hazardous materials. Alright folks, those are the must-have HVAC tools for beginners. Investing in quality tools not only makes your job easier, but also helps you deliver better results. Ready to get started? Thanks for watching and see you next time. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more HVAC tips and tricks. Stay safe out there.